Kakain kami sa labas, guys. We're eating outside. We have a grilled maize, corn, and ensalada, eggplant, and rest of the rice last night. Yeah, I want this. Gusto ko yung tutong. And we have a new rice also.
This is this here.
Yeah, I like the old one with the tutong.
Totong. Here, the rice with the totong.
With the tutong.
Totong.
Oh, yes.
This is the totong.
Okay. Thank you, Lord, for giving us delicious food every time we eat. Okay.
Now you take the
We
fish.
have the big fish, but I cut the head. I cook it with the soup paksiw. I cook the head paksiw. You know paksiw, sour.
Paksiw.
With vinegar, ginger, red hot chili, and
The salad is good.
and salt, and a little more spicy. Okay.
And so spicy.
My goodness.
God.
Nalaglag pa uy. I like this fish. I like this with the skin. Wow.
Take. I also need to.
Okay. Go to eat. Make your food. This really delicious. I like it. I like this eggplant. Ensaladang talong, guys. Masarap to. What is this? Nyaman na soy.
Yamanasoy. Nyamanasoy.
Okay, guys. Kain muna. Kain tayo. Ayan. Yung ulo kasi hindi niya kinakain, kaya pinaksiw ko. Okay.